In this review of the Quility weighted blanket, we cover how to pick the right blanket for your body type, show the unboxing of a Quility, and discuss our experience while using the blanket. When choosing a Quility weighted blanket, there are a few choices to make: color, size, and weight. Color is the easiest choice with 6 options. We'll let you make that choice on your own. Size and weight are a bit more complicated. To get the most benefits from a weighted blanket, get one that is roughly 10% of your body weight. So if you weigh 150 pounds, the ideal blanket is 15 pounds. As for dimension, we recommend choosing an individually sized blanket, such as twin or full, rather than queen size. If you get a queen size, the weight is spread out over a wider area and you won't get as much benefit from the weight of the blanket. The Quility blanket is fairly easy to care for. The duvet can be machine washed cold, but it needs to be hung dry. The weighted blanket should be dry cleaned. The Quility comes with a soft removable minky cover made of 100% polyester. The top features small raised dots that give it texture. The bottom of the duvet is the same material but smooth and shiny. To remove the duvet cover, simply unzip the cover along the length of the duvet. The weighted blanket is attached in 12 locations with fabric ties. With so many ties, the blanket stays very snug to the edge of the duvet cover. The weighted blanket itself has a series of sewn pockets that are filled with micro glass beads to give it weight. Inside each of the squares is also a polyester batting which keeps the glass beads from bunching or making noise. After using the Quility blanket for a number of nights, we found that the plush minky duvet covers run much hotter than cotton. In the winter, the extra warmth is great, but it was too warm for us in these warmer months. To solve this, there are 2 options. First, simply remove the duvet cover and just use the weighted blanket itself. Or, Quility also sells cooling duvet covers that are made from cotton. If the weighted blanket doesn't work well for you at night, consider using it as a throw blanket. While the Quility we bought was queen size and not the easiest as a throw blanket, you can still make it work. It can be wrapped around your body or just pulled up onto your lap. Here are some things we liked about the Quility blanket. The minky duvet is plush and exceptionally soft. Quility offers blankets that weigh from 5 to 25 pounds and in sizes that will work for individuals or couples. Both the minky duvet and the cotton cover are available in a range of neutral colors. Starting at around $70 for a 15-pound blanket, it is one of the more reasonably priced weighted blankets available. We thought the Quility was a good quality blanket, however there are a few things to consider. The minky duvet cover sleeps hot. Consider getting a cooling cover for the warmer months. The duvet cover should be air dried. With thousands of positive reviews, a 30-day money-back guarantee, and free shipping, it might be worth trying a Quility blanket to see if it helps improve your sleep. For a full review of the Quility blanket, visit sleepculture.com.